Hello everyone! Are you looking to create a website for your business blog or portfolio but don't have much experience with web design? Weebly is a user-friendly website. It has so many features that will help you build the website that you are looking for. It will be looking professional and really good. In this video, I will show you how to create your own website using Weebly, including how to choose a template, customize the design, and much more. So, let's dive in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, first thing first, and as always, I will need you to go to the URL section on your browser. So simply go ahead and go to this section over here or in the middle. So let's go. Here search for Weebly. And from here, just click on the first website that will be appearing for you, which is this one. So let's go to it. And simply as you can see, create your website through here. So click on create your website and they will take you to that page. Here you just have to sign up. Simply, you have to put your first name, last name, and some simple creation of account steps. So let's do that real quick. Here Lori, Hilob, and you just fill everything else by yourself. So email, and here password. And as you see now, I have created the account successfully. Click on here to add a number to protect your account no more, or else you can just click on read me later. So let's do this and continue to Squarespace or to Square up. Now let's wait a little bit and they took us back here for some reason. So let's do that once more. I have no idea what is this bug about, but let's do that. So as you can see, alright, this is really bug as you can see. Let me just do this again. Alright, here as you can see, I want a personal website, so let's try Weebly website. And here you are going to select a theme. So as you can see here, simply just choose a theme that will be fitting your kind of business or portfolio, whatever it is. So here you will find multiple kinds of themes that will fit multiple kinds of domains from business, portfolio, personal, events, blog, and here you will find some coming soon. So it will be it's not available for now, and then others. So for example, for a blog, you will have these kinds of templates, events, these kinds of templates, personal as well, and the same go for portfolio. And you might say that there are some limited amount of templates that you can use. Well, yeah, this is the case because you have the free version. So let's keep going with this free version and let's choose this one. Here you have to choose and pick the kind of um, the template that you'd like. So let's choose this one, I guess. I will go for another one actually. So okay, let's go for this one and let's click on it and then go to start editing through here. Like that, we have went into the actual website, we have created it, we have everything ready. Anything else we need to do is just add a domain name here. So you can either add it now or like search for a new domain name in the weebly.com and you can buy it from there. So you can either like connect another domain name from another hosting or buy it from Weebly. Let's click on X and ignore it. Here the updated app, so let's just reload editor. And here we go. Now let's close this as well. And here we are. Now we are on the website. So as you can see, we have created our own website using Weebly for now. What we can do is simply edit everything so it matches our brand. For example, we can just go here and click and you can just change it. So tutorial for example, here as you can see, tutorial. Here we can change this text, we can change that, this button as well. As you can see here, you can click on it. Here you'll find button text, button style, and much more. So we can, for example, here change this to buy now. Alright, here button style green. We can adjust it to whatever you'd like. Here, for example, the position you want it to be in the left, right, or in the middle. So this left and right or in the middle, it will be only for the section, not the whole page. And here the link. So whether this, what does this button exactly? Take you to another website URL, a standard page, product page, blog post, form, file, and email. So let's go back from here and let's choose, for example, a website URL. So we can let it take us to google.com, for example. We can just type here http and www dot and google.com or whatever URL you'd like it to take you to. After that, just do this, close, and it will be functional for you. Here you will have some kind of extra tools to help you edit the website, from text, paragraph, image, gallery, map, slideshow, context form, newsletter form, button, embed code. For example here, for this code here, what it can do is simply, if you drag it, for example here, let's wait a little bit. Alright, I don't know if I can see it. Is this it? Yeah. So here you can put a custom HTML code. You can either use ChatGPT or your knowledge about HTML and use a custom like code to make something that it is not allowed to you to do it with these tools. So if you are so good with HTML, this is really helpful for you. So I really have highly suggest you to use this tool if you know what to do with HTML. Even though you don't know, you can use ChatGPT and get code from it and use it as embed code. Here you can choose and create new sections, add spacer between sections, and divider. Here's some media. For example, you can upload file, Flash, Scribe document, and YouTube. And finally here, as you can see, you can add products, categories, a search box, block code, and as you can see here, you can actually add Google AdSense. So you can really start making money through Google AdSense using Weebly, which is a really good function. It is really insane. So as we click on it, we add it. Let's wait. Google AdSense help user generate revenue, etc. So you can just authorize it and it will collect with each other, and then you just have to upload your files from Google AdSense to here, the code of ads, and everything will be ready to you, and you will be earning money through this website which you created for free. As you can see, the tool is actually free, so you don't have really to get the premium version to have it. So yeah guys, this is overall how to create your website with Weebly. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Thank you a lot for watching till this moment, and see you guys in the next tutorial.